Hello, dear students. Welcome to English. Today we are going to do the sound T. So let's get started. This is the letter T. And do you know what is the sound of the letter T? It's T. Yes, T. Now let's say the sound T 10 times. You all have to repeat after me. T, 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 T. Well done, kids. Now we are going to say some words that starts with the sound T. Okay. So the first word is, can you see the picture? It's a tiger. Yes, it's a tiger. Tiger, our national animal. Now the second word is table. 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 Tent. 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 Turtle. 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 Turnip. 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 Television. 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 Tongue. 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 Teeth. 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 Very good. Well done, all of you. Truck. 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 Teapot. 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 Good. Now let's start adding the sound T to some of the words to complete these words given here. So, can you guess if we'll add the sound T to this given word, what will it become? Yes, it will be tub. 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 Very good. Now, can you add the T sound to this word? Yes, it is train. 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 Very good, everyone. Now, when we are going to add the sound T to this word, what will it become? Yes, taxi. 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 Well done. Now, what are we going to get when we'll add the sound T at the beginning of this word? Yes, it's tomato. 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 Well done, everyone. Now, when we are going to add the sound T before these letters, which word will be formed? Yes, 10. 10. 10. Now add the sound T before these words, these letters, and it will become towel. 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 Very good. Now friends, It's the clap time. Do you know what you have to do here? You have to clap each time as you read according to the number of sounds given in each word. Okay, so now you have to follow me and you have to do clapping after each sound. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Teapot, teapot. Very good. Pen, pen. Turnip, turnip. Well done, everybody. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Tub, tub, tub. Turtle, turtle. Tent, tent, tent. Well done. Towel, towel, towel. Table, table, table. Very good, everybody. Now it's the drawing time. You like this time the most, right? So now you are going to draw these two pictures in your drawing file and you will also pronounce these sounds. The sound of the word train and the sound of the word turtle. Okay, everyone? So enjoy your drawing time. We are going to meet you soon with another sound. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye, everyone.